Hey there, folks. I never sit on this page waiting for the next one to open, but here I am. Let's refresh and see if it, in fact, loaded. And it did. Look at that. Oh, I like it. Oh, isn't that great? Is there a solution here that will... Oh, you know what I think this is? I think this is 1, 2, 3 gradients, one of which is a variable. So what I think it is, so the gradient is a conic gradient that is in a variable. Conic gradient, and it is transparent, 75% around, and then it's this light color, 0. And the sizing on that, or then the position, is going to be the thing that's variable. So let's put that in. So I need a semicolon, missing a semicolon. Semicolon, great. Then var --g, there it is. I need an at value that makes sense. At 30 pixels, 100 pixels, something like that. Maybe it's 50 by 120, and then over 40 pixels, 50 pixels. Okay. 40, 30 actually, 80, 90. Okay. And then if I set a width to that, then I will get the next one. 2, 3, 230. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I need a comma between them, but then the initial is 60, 70, 80, 90. And that's how to do that. And then the last part is a radial gradient. 1q at 10 pixel, more like, what, 60 pixels, 40 pixels? And essentially I'm doing that so that I can get the first one, and then I'm going to play around with the numbers there. So there's a circle. Let's put it in the right place. 60, 70, 80, 90, 85. And then 5, 6, 5, 55. Great. 25 pixel radius. Great. And I'm going to say that at present that's at 0, 0, and then I'm going to set a width and a height, and that's what we see. So it's going to be more like 200. That number needs to be lower, 90. Maybe a little different than that. How about 95? Perfect. Oh, actually 195. How about 190? 190 px, there it is, and then the width is going to be a little more, 110, 20, 30. Then I'm going to remove this at because I don't need it, but I will need to change the initial values here. So what, minus 20 pixels, minus 30, and then minus 30 pixels again, 35, minus 40. Perfect. Submit. Hopefully that's 100% match. So that's 3 gradients deployed very specifically. Minify and unit replace. Submit. I like that. I like that. And that's 100% match. Yeah, you could create a number of elements. You could do this with box shadows. Perfectly acceptable to do either of those things. Quite like it, and from there I will tell you, go make a web page, be good to yourself, be good to each other, I'm Joe Crawford. I do this pretty much every day. Watch, don't like, don't subscribe. You don't have to. That's okay. But I'm around. I'm making these things. Have a great day. Bye.